Today let's make strawberry compote without any gelling agent. Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking. First chop 200 gram strawberries into smaller pieces, then add them in a pan. Add 25 gram of caster sugar. You can adjust sugar quantity according to the sweetness of strawberries you are using. Mine are not that sweet, hence I have added more sugar. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, then put the pan on a low-medium flame and cook everything. Use a spatula to mix everything together, also to prevent strawberries sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once they start cooking, the strawberries will release their water and become soft and mushy. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water if required. Mash the strawberries with the help of a spatula. Here you can mash more if you want your compote to be more fine and runny. If you want it chunky, don't overmash your strawberries. You can also use frozen strawberries if you like. To check if strawberry compote is cooked and ready, look for a thickened consistency, with the strawberries softened but still holding their shape. Taste a small amount to ensure the sweetness and texture meet your preference. Cooking time can vary, but a simmer of 15 to 20 minutes is often sufficient. Please give a video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Now transfer the compote in a clean, dry, airtight jar and store in a refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks. If you want a longer shelf life, consider freezing it, where it can last for several months. Our compote is ready. Use it as a topping or spread or as a mix-in for drinks. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.